Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, for how to change Facebook password if you forget your password. So guys, first of all open Facebook app on your phone and then tap on profile icon. After that it will appear on screen on your phone and then tap on settings. Now we can see as we appear on screen and then tap on account center. Now as appear on screen and then scroll down, tap on password and security. Now tap it and then tap on change password. Tap on profile. Your Facebook is asking change password. Your password most will be 6 characters and should include a combinations of numbers, letters and special characters. Is asking current password update, new password and re-enter password. So if you are not remember your password, so type on forget your password. Now tap on send to WhatsApp. If you're connected to WhatsApp, your Facebook account, so tap on send to WhatsApp messages. Now tap on try another way. As asking send code via WhatsApp, send code via email, and send via Facebook notification, and send code via SMS. But me type on send WhatsApp. So if you want to any, so type here and tap continue. So now we can see it's asking we send to a code WhatsApp number. Check your WhatsApp and from Facebook. Copy, tap it. Another phone opens and check the WhatsApp code. So guys, waiting few seconds. Now enter the password. Tap it. Then tap on continue. So guys, waiting few seconds. After that, is create a new password. Type here password new and then tap next. Now we can see change the password on my Facebook account. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.